Today I'm making papaya and carrot oil. So what I did today is I'm actually not taking the skin off, also using the seed and the skin with the papaya at the same time. So I'm gonna blend it with the carrot. So for actually your skin. So stay tuned. So I blend all the papaya and also the carrots, and I'm gonna put it in the bowl so that we can so I'm making a large bowl of papaya and carrot oil. So what I'm gonna add right now is the sunflower oil, and also uh hemp seed. This I already checked and it's very good for lightening skin, and also flower oil is also very good for lightening skin as well, taking off pigment and everything in your face. So this is very good. I'm gonna, as I say, I'm doing a large quantity of um papaya and also carrot oil. Remember that I also add a papaya skin and papaya seed. I blend all of them together, and if you can see them in here, I blend all of them together. So now I'm gonna add all this oil together, and I'm gonna put on a low heat. So stay tuned, guys. So now I'm getting ready to put the hemp oil in here. um I'm gonna put it in here. That's why you can drink this hemp oil. So what I'm doing right now, you can still drink it, a little bit of it. You can actually drink some and also use it for your skin as well. I'm gonna also put the sunflower oil. This is very good for your also skin as well. I'm gonna put it in there, and we're gonna put on a low heat. We're gonna put on a low heat. We definitely need to get that oil on your skin, and I'm telling you guys, you will not regret it. So I put on low heat, and I'm gonna let it stay on low heat. So at this point, just maybe I'll put on low heat for maybe like 15 minutes so that I can get my beautiful oil, um papaya oil and also carrot oil out of this for my skin. So this is very good. Like I show you, you can get sunflower oil or hemp seed oil actually, and blend all the papaya and papaya seed and also papaya skin and also carrot. So this is good combination for your. So I've been cooking my papaya and also carrots, and this is so far for 15 minutes now. I'm getting my oil back on it. Earlier it was kind of like it was taking its time to do what you have to do, but now I'm getting my oil back. So it's coming up, and this stuff is good. I'm using it right now for my skin, but it looks so good right now. I'll let it stay for another 10 minutes and see how it goes. So I'm gonna strain the oil out of it. I need as much as oil that I can get, so I'm gonna keep it for a few minutes. So hopefully I'll be back again so we can get our oil out of this. I need every little oil that I can get from this, because I'm telling you, this stuff is very good.